Political reporter Charlie Keegan. But tonight, KSHB 41 News reporter Isabella Ladon is joining us, going in depth on the uniqueness of the redistricting proposal, amplifying the voices of a community who would be directly impacted. Isabella, you've been all over this, digging into it. What can you tell us?
Well, Alyssa, Missouri is in a unique position by proposing redistricting that's not directly tied to a census count, but it's not unheard of. We're showing you this map here from Princeton University that shows the states that redrew lines for political advantage. You see Illinois, Kansas, and Tennessee all receiving a grade of F for political fairness, but Missouri actually got grade A for political fairness based on the current district lines. But if redistricting goes through, that grade could change.
What can we really do?
South Kansas City is one of the metro's communities that could be split down the middle.
We're not able to get our voices heard throughout our representatives.
Some question how Missouri can legally redraw district lines that would give Republicans a political advantage at the federal level.
Now we're going to lose funding for our areas.
There's a good probability you're going to have no Democratic representation on this side of the state.
Matt Harris is a political expert at Park University. What Missouri is trying to do now has been done since the early 2000s in states like Texas, Colorado, and Illinois. It's given advantages to both Democrats and Republicans.
This type of partisan gerrymandering is not good for democracy, because what democracy is, right, is the voice of the people is represented in the government.
If you look at Missouri's proposed district lines, it puts parts of Kansas City in the same district that extends all the way out to the Lake of the Ozarks, potentially giving Republicans an advantage. Experts have said these lines don't make geographical sense, but we've seen this come from Democrats too. Take Illinois, for example. These lines were redrawn in a way that puts cities that are 2 hours apart in the same district, cutting out much of the area in between.
There are some legitimate questions about whether this sort of mid-decade, purely for political gain, redistricting is constitutional.
Those questions have already prompted one lawsuit from the NAACP challenging Missouri's special session. The redistricting has yet to pass the Senate and be signed by Governor Mike Kehoe. After that, it'll most likely face a legal battle.
It'll probably be the Missouri State Supreme Court that is going to have to answer some of these questions.
And Texas has already signed its new district lines into law, and California is putting its redistricting proposal on the upcoming November ballot. You can find more in-depth coverage from today's House hearing over on our website. In the studio, Isabella Ladon, KSHB 41 News.